Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss double linked list, DLL, double linked list. In previous videos we discussed single linked list, operations insertion, deletion and search. So now we will discuss what is double linked list, how can we represent a double linked list, and how a node is represented in double linked list. So just the definition and the representation we will discuss in this video, and in the next videos we will discuss the operations performed on double linked list. Let us start with double linked list. See, the name itself specifies double. Double is nothing but two links. Double means two, linked means links present between the nodes present in the list. Double linked list, and this is a linear data structure. Remember, linear data structure. So double linked list, it is a linear data structure in which a node consisting of of how many partitions in this double linked list? A node consists of 3 partitions. A double linked list consisting of each node consisting of 3 partitions. What are those 3 partitions? So now see, this is a node which consisting of 3 partitions. See, one by one I will write here. What are these 3 partitions? Now the first partition is pointer to the previous node. Pointer to the previous node. What does it mean? Pointer to previous node is nothing but stores address of previous node. Stores address of previous node. Stores address of previous node. And what is this middle partition? Middle partition is nothing but data like 10, 20, 30, like that elements are represented, that data. And what is this third partition? Third partition is pointer to the next node. Pointer to the next node. What is meant by pointer to the next node? So it stores address of next node. Stores address of next node. See here, in double linked list, a node consisting of 3 partitions. So first partition is pointed to left child or left node. Next one is data, and this is pointed to the right node. So now how the elements are represented. So if you have a list, then how the elements are represented in double linked list. For example, 10, 8, 16, 14, 7. These are the elements. Now how can we represent a double linked list for these nodes? So now, so how many elements are there? 5 elements are there. So here we will represent 5 nodes. Why? Because a node, each element is represented in the form of a node. So that's why we are representing 5 elements and 5 nodes. Each node consisting of how many partitions? 3 partitions, 3 partitions, 3 partitions, 3 partitions, 3 partitions. And how many links present between the nodes present in double linked list? 2 links are present. Now how can we represent these 2 links? That we will discuss. Now the arrow mark is represented like this. Arrow mark is represented like this. So what is that? We will discuss. So first I am storing data 10, 8, 16, 14, 7. Okay, so assume the addresses 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Okay, so now see what is the meaning of this double linked list. See here I am representing two links pointed to next node, and this is pointed to previous node, this is pointed to next node. 7's previous is 14. How the addresses are stored? The addresses are stored like this. So 10's next is 200, so here it is 200, and this is previous partition. See, this is previous, that means pointer to previous, which means it stores address of previous node. Okay, so for this 8, what is the previous node? 10. What is the address of 10? 100, so here 100. Next, this is third partition as next partition. So what is the next of 8? 16. What is the address? 300. So here we will represent 300. Now what is this partition? Previous partition. That means stores address of previous node. That means 16's previous node is 8. What is the address of 8? Here it is 200. So 16's next is 14. 14's node address is 400. So 400. Now 14's previous is 16. 16 node address is 300. So here 300. 14's next node is 7 address. So address is 500. 7's previous node is 14. Address is 400. 7's next is there is no node after 7. So null pointer. And there is no previous node to 10 node, so this also null pointer. Okay, so like that, so in double linked list it stores address of previous node and address of next node. It is easy to access the elements as it consisting of previous node. For example, already you reached to this position. Now I want to traverse to 8. Just use the previous node. Based on that previous node, you can easily reach to the node 8. Okay, like that you can represent. So suppose another example. Consider another example. Example 2. So this is another example. Again, each node consisting of 3 partitions. So 3 partitions. Suppose this is the list. Okay. So now the elements are 8, 9, 4, 2. Now how the links are given? So now 100, 200, 300, 400. See, this partition is next partition. Okay, what is 8's next? 9. So here 200. 9's address is 200. What is this partition? This partition is a previous partition. Previous to 9. What is previous to 9? 8. 8's address is 100. So represent 100. Now, this partition is 9's next partition. 9's next partition is 9's next node. Next node is 4. What is address here? 300. So arrow mark is represented like this. Now this partition is a 4's previous. What is the 4's previous? 200. So 200 and put the arrow mark. 4's next is 2. So what is 2 nodes address? 400. So pointer. 2's previous is 4. What is the address? 300. So there is no next node after 2. So it is a null pointer, and this is also, there is no previous node to the node 8. So it is also null pointer. So first node previous pointer and last node's next pointer are null pointers. See here double link. 2 links are present. Now coming to complete double linked list definition. Double linked list definition is it is collection of nodes, a collection of nodes in which each node consists of three partitions. Each node consists of three partitions, and the operations performed on double linked list is insertion, deletion, and search. So this is complete definition of DLL. This is a node representation which consisting of three partitions. Okay, and this is double linked list representation. Hope you understand, students. If you have any doubts, please post to me in comment box. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.